camera to a Samsung display over here. The display is 32 inches and only supports 180p. So I will be showcasing you the clarity that we get at 180p. This document camera supports 4K also, but you will need a 4K compatible device to operate. So as you can see, till 11x, the document camera gets optical zoom, which has a really great clarity, and you can see all the fine lines of the 100 rupee note. After that, you get 120x of digital zoom. So as you can see, the digital zoom is also great in this document camera. The main difference in optical and digital zoom is that optical zoom uses a lens focal length mechanism that is used to get a better, clearer image, like a telescope, and a digital zoom is like capturing an image and zooming it on the go. So I will just zoom out. You get also the lighting functions. You get 3 types of lights built in this document camera. You get a menu option. In menu you get a magnifier, autofocus, zoom in, zoom out, rotate option. I can rotate the image as per my liking. Mirror option, I can mirror the image. Unfreeze the image. I will just freeze the image right now, and as you can see, I have removed the 100 rupee note and the image is still as per when we had freezed it. Now I will just unfreeze. I can annotate also on the 100 rupee currency. I can take a snap of it, and with just a click I have just saved the snap in the inbuilt storage of this document camera. I can record also, and it also has a built-in microphone in the document camera, so that's really great when you're recording something. In the menu we get many more options. We get a browser. We can browse the images that we have saved. Also, we have a division option. We can divide the screen into on the right side you get real-time image, on the left side you get the image that you have snapped before. It's a picture-in-picture mode is also available. As you can see, on the left side you get a picture, that's the real-time image, and on the right side the bigger image is a freeze image that we had snapped before. And the last option in the menu is the settings option. We get autofocus mode, push mode. Focus is a far and near both. It has bilateral focus. Also you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness and denoise, also the volume. It has 50 Hz and 60 Hz image capturing option. It comes with different languages also. As you can see, the resolution that we are getting right now is 1920 to 1080, and also it can go as high as 3840 into 2160. You can clear the storage from here, and also you can set the time and version. You also get touch buttons on the top with a rotary dial. I will just show you that. So as you can see, we get all the touch buttons over here. This is the freeze option, this is the rotate, the record, snap, and also the back button. This is the lighting option. If you click on it, you can adjust the lighting as per our liking. This is a rotary zoom option that we get. That's best in class. Because of the rotary zoom, you can adjust the image till this minute of jumps. In zoom, we have a lot of jumps available, so it gives you the best accuracy that you want. So you don't have to worry of pre-programmed zooms in the document camera. Also, this is the menu option, and also this document camera is rotatable. I will just show you that. This document camera is also rotatable. I can rotate it as per my liking. As you can see, the camera is also rotatable. And the best thing about this document camera that you don't get any noise. I'll just turn it off. It's been turned off. And as you can see, while closing it, there is no noise in this document camera. It comes with a sleek, noiseless design. That's really easy, because when we are purchasing a document camera, many times it happens, the document camera is very creaky and the plastic is really noisy. The plastic grade on this document camera is superior to those ABS plastic models that are available in the normal market.